Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and today we are going to discuss how to say EID Mubarak through integration. So here, this is the question, E of E, and the lower limit is E of minus Mubarak of the function 1 over x of dx. The integration of 1 over x, we have a formula here, that is ln x. The integration of 1 over x, it is ln x. So here this is 1 over x, so the integration of 1 over x, it is ln x. Here the limit is given, so first we have to find out the integration there, and then we have to apply the limit. So this is the integration of 1 over x, it is ln x, and now we have to apply the limit, the upper limit and the lower limit here. So this is applying limit ln e minus lower limit e so the ln property is the power of e will become the coefficient of ln x. So this is ln of e. This e become the coefficient of ln. The same here also. Ln e. Ln e, it is equals to 1 because they are the inverse function to each other, so they will be equals to 1, and this is e minus minus plus EID plus Mubarak, that means EID Mubarak. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Allah Hafiz.